Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Wes and thanks so much for tuning in for another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a set of reverse light bulbs. This is an upgraded set of reverse light bulbs on a 2023 F-150. And I found these light bulbs while browsing a website. It's called F150LEDs.com. And as you can see here, they have just a little bit of everything when it comes to lighting for your F-150. The light bulb that I'm installing in this video, it's called the MK2. It's roughly 1500 lumens. And now that I'm filming this a year later after that install, they do have a new bulb out. It's called the Aries line, but the Aries bulb is boosting a 4600 lumen output. But whichever bulb you choose, the install is going to be the same. So without further ado, we'll jump right into that, get the tail light pulled off, and get this new bulb installed. So over at the truck, we're at the driver's side tail ends, and the bulb that we're going to be changing is this very bottom one here. That's the reverse bulb. And then there's going to be two bolts here that we're going to remove just to get the tail light off. And you can use either a 5/16 or an 8mm. I just went ahead and attached this to a drill just for quicker removal. So here's the two bolts that we just removed. You'll just put those aside, make sure you don't lose those. And then the remaining tail light assembly is just held in by a few clips. You can't see it from this angle, so I'll go ahead and swap it around to kind of give you a better view. From here, you can see these pointy clips that secure into the truck itself. They just kind of work right out. That's super easy to remove. And then the next thing we're going to do is remove the main cable connecting the taillight assembly to the vehicle. And with that pulled away, we have access to all of our rear lights. Again, the bottom one here is going to be a reverse light bulb that we're going to be swapping out. You'll just grab this here and give it a quarter turn, and you can go ahead and get that light bulb pulled right out of the socket. And then you'll see here the OEM bulb that we're going to be replacing. Just kind of be easy, don't break it in your hand, but kind of wiggle it out, it'll come right off. And then we'll put this aside just in case we want to use it in the future. Now we'll plug in our upgraded LED light bulb, but grab it by the base, don't grab it by the LEDs themselves as it could damage it, and then put that right into the socket. And once you get ready to wire this back in, this does have a reverse polarity where if you plug the light bulb in the wrong way, it's not going to work. So before putting your tail light assembly back onto the truck, install the light bulbs and then go ahead and have someone get in the truck and test those out for you. Have them hit the brake and then put it in reverse and just make sure that the light bulb actually comes on. That way you know you've got it set up the right way. If it doesn't come on, just take that bulb back out, twist it 180 degrees and put it back into the harness and then test it again, and you should be lit up. So we've got both sides working. We're ready to go ahead and get this installed back onto the truck. Luckily, the install is just as easy as uninstalling it. Actually, it's probably easier. All you're going to do is line those clips back up into the holes on the taillight assembly opening and just kind of push it into place. You'll feel those clips kind of click in. Then install the two OEM bolts that we removed on the other side. I just kind of get them finger tightened and then come back with a ratchet. I didn't want to use the drill to tighten this part back in because I didn't want to over tighten it and cause any damage to the taillight assembly by accident. But once those are tightened down, this job is complete. It's an easy install. We'll go ahead and jump over to Nightfall and test these lights out and let you check them out for yourself. Looking at the backup camera, you can see the large shadow right in the middle, and then in the after shot, it's significantly reduced and the picture is quite a bit more clear, so impressed with that. And now outside the truck, we have the OEM lights here in reverse, and even though they work pretty well, they don't have a ton of range or like a field of vision, so to speak, as you see here in the after, which is quite a bit brighter, and it's hard to show in the video, but it does have a lot more range than the OEM lights. You'll see here better in this rear shot. I'm standing in the bed of the truck with the OEM lights on, and then we switch it over to the upgraded set of MK2s. It's a little bit brighter, actually quite a bit brighter, but you also have a lot more range on your left and right than what you did have with the OEM lights. So definitely impressed with that. I think that's a very helpful feature in a reverse light bulb. And while there's a lot of LEDs on the market, I'll definitely recommend these for the price point. I've had them for over a year now. They're still holding up strong, have no issues with them. If you have any questions about the install or the product itself, definitely drop those in the comments below. I try to get back to everybody. In the meanwhile, bounce over to F150LEDs.com, check out their offerings, and I hope to see you on the next video. All right, peace.